I'm Kat Dillon, holistic nutritionist and chef, and I'm going to show you today how to do a wonderful little soup here called a cream of parsnip soup. Parsnip is just one of the all-time most favorite vegetables, root vegetables of mine. They are simply the best, and they're so high in potassium and fiber, even actually higher than potatoes, if you can believe that. So let's go through the ingredients. We've got some olive oil to start with, some parsnips. I've got about a pound of parsnips. We've got some pears that all I've done is cored and peeled. Got 2 pears here. Got a nice large onion chopped. I've got some potatoes. I've got 2 small potatoes here that I've peeled and chopped. Vegetable stock, or interchangeably you can use chicken stock. I just like to boil a bunch of vegetables, let them go in the slow cooker, and I've got my vegetable stock. Just anything will go. You can even use water. I've got some coriander. I've got about a half a teaspoon of coriander seed. All I did was I dry toasted those and then pounded them in the mortar and pestle. I've got some fresh parsley here and some cream. I have about a cup of cream. We're going to start with the sauteing of the onions in the olive oil at low temperature until aromatic. Then we're going to saute the parsnips and the potatoes and the pears. When that comes to a little bit of a translucent look, you're going to go ahead and add the stock. And then when that's all done, you're going to take it off the burner, blend it in the blender, Robocoo or hand immersion blender, and then we'll strain it. Looking good. After it's strained, we'll go ahead and put it back in the pot, and we'll incorporate the cream, and we'll season to taste. And here it is, ready to eat. I'll just place my little parsnip garnish right on top. There you have it, cream of parsnip soup. Enjoy.